गाइस, आप लोगों का यूट्यूब चैनल फाउंडेशन जेई में स्वागत है। आज हम लोग ग्रेविटी और यू कैन से गुरुत्वाकर्षण के अधीन जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल करता है तो उसके मोशन पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है, और हम लोग इस लेक्चर में देखेंगे कि कब जी एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इन इक्वेशन is positive sign or when it is being negative sign. Okay, next we will see what is the difference between mass and weight. Okay, and how an object weight is differ, मतलब अंतर पड़ता है जब वो चंद्रमा पे उसका वेट लिया जाता है और जब सेम वस्तु का वेट पृथ्वी पर लिया जाता है। ओके गाइस, एज वी नो गुरुत्वाकर्षण इज एन अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स, मतलब आकर्षण का फोर्स है। तो गाइस, व्हाई नॉट व्हेन टू पर्सन्स आर स्टैंडिंग 1 मीटर अपार्ट, मीन्स 1 मीटर दूरी पे रहते हैं, तो क्यों नहीं वो एक दूसरे की तरफ खींचे आते हैं और उनका पोजीशन क्यों नहीं चेंज होता है। Why not they are displaced from their position? So we will also see the reason behind it. Okay, so guys, here now time to see है कि हम लोग जो और ऑब्जेक्ट है पृथ्वी के गुरुत्वाकर्षण के अधीन गिरता है तो उसके मोशन पर क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है। ओके गाइस, हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी इस बात का अध्ययन कर चुके हैं कि इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन of an object along a straight line. Okay, so what are those equations? The first equation is v equal to u plus at. The second equation s equal to ut plus half at square, and then the third one v square equal to u square plus 2as. Okay guys, you know a is here constant, or you can say uniform acceleration. Okay, now here second u is initial velocity. Okay, and the v is a final velocity reached by object when time बीतना elapsed. Okay, now, or you can say S is here distance. Okay, or here as we read motion in a straight line, so S will be here displacement. Okay, now, so suppose this one is a earth. Okay, now one object is here, say his mass is m, or this is mass of earth. So guys, you know what force of attraction is acting between these two mass? We have already seen in our last lecture, gravitation. Okay, so you can say, sir, this will be equal to g gravitational constant, m mass of the object, or me here mass of earth, or this is re square, because the distance between the two is center to center. Okay, so we are here assuming this object is near to earth surface. Okay, so you can say, sir, we already know F equal to here mass into acceleration, so we can say here acceleration is only produced by गुरुत्वाकर्षण, जो कि पृथ्वी का खिंचाव है वस्तु को अपने सेंटर की तरफ. ओके, दिस इज सेंटर. ओके, सो हियर g इक्वल टू f by m. Why? Because here we replace a equal to g, or acceleration due to gravity. Okay guys, now, so you see here we can write here g equal to g me or re square, or we have already solved this one in our last lecture, gravitation. The link of that lecture is given in description box, guys. Okay, so we can say g equal to coming 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, where m is a mass of earth, or re is a radius of earth, and g is gravitational constant. Okay, so I can write this one value. Okay, and the second me we suppose approximately weight is this one, or re 6400 kilometer. Okay, so when you will put this all value, you will get the value of g. Okay, so see, this force is acting in this direction f. So guys, now see, when force is in this direction and object is also falling with suppose u is a initial velocity, so you remember when motion of an object towards the earth. Okay, or gravitational force, then G will be positive sign. Okay, means velocity of an object is increasing. Okay, because object is falling towards the earth with velocity u, and also see earth is applying a force, then we will be increase means final velocity, or you can say as time बीत रहा है तो वस्तु का वेलोसिटी बढ़ रहा है. ओके, नाउ सपोज द सेकेंड केस. ओके, सपोज वी थ्रोन द ऑब्जेक्ट इन अप डायरेक्शन. ओके, from earth surface. Okay, so what's happen here? See, the force is acting in down direction, or motion is along up direction. So in this case you can conclude here. See, when object travel up direction, then velocity decreases, and if you say here u is in this direction positive, okay, then g will be negative. Okay, so what's happened? We can write this equation again. U equal to, if you consider object is going in up direction, then minus gt, or this distance in a straight line, or you can say displacement. Now ut minus 1 by 2 gt square, or this one third one u square minus 2 gs. Okay, so this is motion equation when object is traveling, guys, in up direction. Okay, now see one numerical problem for better understanding. Okay, guys, question is here. Question: a ball is thrown up from top of building with velocity 49 meter per second. Okay, a question is asking, find time taken by object to reach maximum height. This one first question. Second, find the maximum height attained by object. And the third question, find time taken by object to come at its initial position. Okay, so guys, a question is here given. Suppose this one is a tower or a building, or suppose a person is throwing a ball in this direction. Okay, now this is ball. Okay, it is going in up direction. A question पूछ रहा है कि कितना समय लेगा यह अपने मैक्सिमम हाइट तक पहुंचने पे। दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये पूछ रहा है कि ये मैक्सिमम सबसे जो दूर कितना जा सकता है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन asking when it will return to its initial position. Okay, so when it will again come at here. Okay, now all things are happening under gravitation. Okay, or here the value of g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, now the solution here, you know already, v is a final velocity, u is initial velocity, plus a or t. Here a acceleration, so the object is going in up direction, or earth is attracting it towards its center. Okay, so if u is positive in this direction, then g is negative because it is opposite the force of earth. Okay, so you write here v u minus gt. Okay, so guys, one time come, then object velocity will becomes 0. Okay, then it cannot move further, मतलब आगे नहीं जा सकता है, तो उस समय इसका वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा। नाउ इनिशियल जब वस्तु को फेंका गया तो उसका वेलोसिटी था 49 मीटर पर सेकेंड। ओके, नाउ जी वैल्यू 9.8, नाउ टी। ओके, so you can write here 9.8 t equal to 49, or t equal to 49 divided by 9.8, so 1, this is 5. So in 5 seconds it will reach at maximum height. Okay, now the second question is asking to you what is the distance traveled by object. Okay, so you know s equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, now see here ut, then you can write with negative sign 1 by 2 gt square. Okay, why a becomes here minus g? Because object is traveling opposite the force. Okay, so put the value here 49 into 5 minus 1 by 2, 9.8 into 5 whole square. Okay, so you can write it further 1, or this is 4.9. Okay, so you can also write guys 49 into 5 minus 4.9 into 25. Okay, so if you take a common 4.9, so this is equal to 10 into 5 minus, then it is becomes 25. Okay, so you can write here this value will be 4.9, a small bracket, or this is 50 minus 25. Okay, so this is 4.9 into 25. So final displacement is equal to, guys, here 122.5 meter. Okay, now so maximum height attained by object when you throw enough direction with velocity, this one, so this will be the maximum height, okay, attained by the object. Now guys, the third question is asking, find the time taken by object to come at its initial position. Okay, now see here, this one is a now height. Okay, you left an object, okay, from this height, so at this time you can use if this formula again, then s equal to ut plus half at square. When the object reaches its the maximum height, then u becomes 0. So put the value here, 0 into t plus 1 by 2 into g t square. Why g is positive? Because it is falling towards the earth, and direction of u and g acceleration both in same direction. Okay, so this value, you know, 1 to 2.5 equal to 1 by 2 into 9.8 t square, then t square value will become 25, or t is coming 5 second. Okay, so guys, it will reach at its initial position here when you left at distance here, then it will take 5 seconds. Okay, so total time taken by object to come its initial position equal to, now guys, 5 second in up direction, or 5 second here in down direction. So total time, so you can say, sir, total time taken by object to come its initial position is 10 second. Okay, now hope after seeing the solution of this question, your doubts is now clear to you guys. Okay, so how the motion equations use when object is falling only due to gravitational force और गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल के कारण. Okay, now see difference between mass and weight, and what is this. Okay, is a mass of an object is how much material content by it. Okay, so the material content by the object is constant, so you can say mass of an object is constant all over the यूनिवर्स. ओके, मतलब कोई वस्तु का मास हम अर्थ पर ले या किसी और ग्रह पे ले या प्लेनेट पे ले, देन इट्स मास विल बी कांस्टेंट. ओके, देन व्हाट अबाउट द वेट. ओके, वेट क्या हुआ फिर? वेट, सो इज a force of attraction between object and the mass of an other object. Okay, now here we are talking about the other object. So other object is here, suppose earth. Okay, then what will be the weight of an object? Suppose here mass is m. Okay, so see here the earth. Okay, and object is here near earth surface m. This is center of the earth, so this is o, or this is me, or here to here distance we know or assume re. So F equal to g, m mass of object, then me here mass of the earth, and re square. Okay, so you can say, sir, we can write this one, m take a common, g m e or re square. Okay, or this is F. Okay, so force of attraction between this object and earth is F, so this is known as weight. Okay, so it is represented by W, or you know this value will come G. G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, now so question is here, suppose a mass of an object is 10 kg. Okay, so what is its weight? So what is it weight? Okay, so weight will be, guys, here 10 into 9.8. Okay, so you can know its unit kg, or this is meter per second square, so this will come 98 Newton. So you can say Newton equal to kg meter per second square. Okay, so weight of this object is 98 Newton wherever its mass is 10 kg. Okay, so guys, you don't confuse about this thing. When you visit the doctor, then you see they use a word, what is its weight. Okay, so they say its weight is sir 60 kg. Okay, so this is their language to say, because this one is the mass. Okay, however in physics, somebody talking about the weight, then you have to multiply the mass by 9.8, so you will get the weight. Okay, so weight of the object near earth surface is 98 newton. Okay, so suppose guys, same object if we are weighing at, suppose where, on moon, so same weight will become. So my answer is guys, it will not come same. Why? Because see, the here g is depend upon mass of the planet and radius of the planet. Okay, so the weight will be not same. So in your mind question is coming, sir, what will be the weight of an object at that location, means on moon. So weight of an object on moon. Okay, now guys, see here, same mass if we consider, which is constant all over the universe. So force, if we say F1 or F moon, okay, equal to what, m g, the gravitational constant will be same all over the universe, or m, or here m small m, mass of moon, or r m whole square. Okay, or you say sir this one equal to g or m. Okay, means acceleration due to gravity at moon. Okay, so you can see this mm cancel out again, so gm, g, m, m, or r m square. Okay, on earth surface GE equal to G M E or RE square. Okay, so guys, if you put the value mm, mass of moon equal to 7.36 10 to power of this one 22 kg, and its radius equal to 1.74 into 10 to power of 6 kg, or the mass of earth 5.98 10 to power of 24 kg, or its radius earth re 6.37 10 to power of 6 meter. Okay guys, see here, I am not writing in kilometer. So why? Because we are writing all unit in SI. So SI unit of mass is kg, or distance is meter. Okay, so you can say sir here you are writing this value re or this one. So there is a little difference between the 6400 kilometer or this one. So for solving the question, we take a approximate value, okay, which is 6400 kilometer radius of Earth, or mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to power of 24 kg. Okay, so what will come if you will here divide? So gm by ge equal to come guys 1 by 6. Okay, you will do it on. So the value of the g is coming g by 6. So what you see, the acceleration due to gravity on moon surface is decreases by factor of 6. So weight of the same object, suppose mg, okay, so mg by 6, here this is ge when you are talking about earth. So weight on earth surface or weight on moon surface. Okay, so now hope the concept of mass and weight now clear to you guys. Now the one question I am talking about initially, why not two persons? See, suppose two person, okay, here or here, okay, or these are a part of 1 meter, okay. So you know force of attraction is acting between the two masses, okay. Suppose these are here, okay. Now see, why not they are attracted towards each other, okay. So you know guys, if they are here or anywhere, so if the weight of this person is say 50 kg or this one is 60 kg, okay, so why not they are displaced from their position? Suppose they are earth, or maybe they are in a space, okay, mass is same, okay, why not they are displaced from their position, okay. So see, if you write the force of attraction between these two masses, so z here m1 m2 or here d square, okay. So here g value will be 6.67 10 to power of minus 11, this is 50 into 60, or now this is 1, okay. When you will solve this one, so this value will become 2.0019 into 10 to power of minus 7 Newton, okay. So see, the force is what, very small, okay. So that's why guys they are not displaced from their position, okay. Guys, you can conclude, when masses of objects are small, then force of attraction is also very small. That is the reason they are नॉट डिस्प्लेस्ड मतलब अपने जगह से फ्रॉम देयर पोजीशन। ओके, मतलब जिस पोजीशन पे वो है उसी पोजीशन पे रहते हैं। अगर ऐसा नहीं होता गाइस तो आप देखिए, सपोज आपने एक यहाँ पे बॉल लीजिए और यहाँ पे भी एक बाउल लीजिए और इसमें कुछ लिक्विड है। ओके, नाउ सपोज दिस इज वन इज इन ऑन योर टेबल। ओके, सी, सो व्हाट्स हैपेंड, इट विल आल्सो अट्रैक्ट टू ईच अदर, और आपका जो ये सूप हो या वाटर हो, वट एवर द थिंग्स, इट विल बी स्पिल मतलब बह जाता, छलक जाता। लेकिन ऐसा होता है? नहीं होता है। वाई? बिकॉज दिस फोर्स इज वेरी small. See, this will come 0.0000, again 0, again 0, then 2. Okay, so see, this force is nearer to, you can say, 0. Okay, so nothing force is acting between these two. Okay, so that's why the two are not displaced from their position. Okay, so hope guys now seeing the first lecture on gravitation. Now this one is a second lecture on gravitation, or you can say mass and weight. Okay, now hope the concept of gravitation is clear to you. सो गाइज इफ यू थिंक, अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि यह लेक्चर मेरे और मेरे परिजनों के लिए इंफॉर्मेटिव है, ज्ञानवर्धक है, तो कृपया इसको आप लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए और अपना YouTube नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करके रखिए। So when I will upload the next video, okay, thrust and pressure, okay, or you can say buoyancy force, Archimedes principle, so you will get the notification of that lecture. Okay, so thank you very much for watching and listening. देखने और सुनने के लिए इस लेक्चर को धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। थैंक यू।